Welcome to Second Chance Garage. Okay. I made a modification to my table saw to try to hook up my new vacuum system to it. So I'll show you what I did to it. Let me lower it down here. Okay. What I did was cut a hole in the back of it and ran a piece of PCV pipe through. So I can take this, put it on there and duct tape it. Now, we will put it upside down and I will show you how it works. So, this is an elbow I cut off that runs down right next to the pickup. There's a piece of 2-inch tube in here with a coupler. I glued them together, squeezed them together, and I can still turn it if I have to adjust it a little bit. Now, my table saw, the blade goes up and down, which that'll clear. And then I also made sure that when I tip it at a 45-degree angle, everything still clears. So everything's gonna clear. All right. So that's all I did. I hacked a hole in the side of it. It wasn't easy, but I did it. Then just put the 45. It was actually a U. It was actually a U. And I just took my grinder and ground half of it off. Then you get it. You get it. So now I'm fixing. Try it out here in a minute. There's the table saw. Now, here's the rip fence. I'll just use that piece of scrap I had before. That don't have to be. Now I gotta bring. That's going down. I gotta bring the blade back up. And I need to lube it, obviously. Push it in and then. All right, I'll be back. Okay, I've got to make sure that the blade, too much crap laying here, it'll come through. We're not quite there yet. I'm getting there. Gotta make sure it comes all the way through the board. Alright, that'll come through the board. Hang on a second now. Okay, now, tube. Are you long enough? Tube. Tube. Oh, look at that. Little duct tape, that'll be great. Make sure it's still stuck on here. Yeah, I know, I gotta come up with a fancier way to do this, but it's just a test right now. See how ridiculous this is. Down there, like so. Wrap around like so. Yay. Alright. Okay, now we're just gonna do a test run here. So I need to have, oh, yeah, a bunch of stuff got to get plugged in here. All right, let's go. Table saw is plugged in. And hang on a second. Okay, we're just gonna try this. It's gonna get loud. Well, I'll first put my, it's gonna get loud. This. Okay. It helped a little, but not much. I don't know why. I know why. It's got a big air gap down here on too many extension cords and stuff. Got a big air gap down here. Hang on a minute. It's not sucking it all up. It's got a big gap at the bottom. Yeah, you can hear it. I'll have to come up with a better way to do this. That helped a bunch. I need a push stick anyway. Okay, let's see. Here's the connection. Alright, let's try it again. See if it does any better. Now, since it doesn't have a big vacuum leak down there. Okay. It seems to help a little. It's not perfect, but that's what it was. Anyway, it worked really good on this. I think it'll work good on the router too, but anyway. But anyway, I think it does help a little, but of course the pipes, slapping duct tape on there, I need to come up with a better way to do that. But Anyway, go outside a minute here and get us a fresh breath, because it did good, but it didn't do great. You know, it did real good on the did real good on the router. I think it'll do good on the router, and I think it'll do good on that. Did really good there, but the table saw, you know, there's only so much you can do about that. But anyway, the redneck way I got it hooked up anyway. So I think I'm gonna flip it on and just let it run for a little bit and let her suck some that dust out of the air in here now. So anyway, if you like it, subscribe. Like I said, eventually I'm gonna make some trim, but I got to get everything where I hook it all up and, you know, to my vacuum and stuff like that. So anyway, if you like it, subscribe. Uncle Russ, Second Chance Garage, out.